Now, how can you test your app? So the old way in product teams, so I've worked with product teams with developers, engineers, product managers, as I've worked with them as a designer. And part of that process of designing and building features in software or websites is to basically to do a bunch of QA. And test what you've built manually before actually deploying it. So we go through, we design the feature, the engineers will then build the feature in code, QA will then check the quality of that code, make sure that it passes a bunch of tests that they've already written out and that they have defined. And then if it passed those tests, we can then deploy it and actually customers can start accessing that on the front end. The wrong way now, I think, is you can ask Bolt or Lovable to test the code in your app, but those tools are not necessarily designed to do that. They're not specific agents that are trained on testing data, that are trained to do specifically, to do rigorous code reviews and testing on your app's code base. They are tools that are designed to write code and build your application. And the way that you need to think about using different AI tools is basically each of these AI tools, these AI agents that you're using, are like different employees in your software business. And so you would have a senior engineer who's writing the code and building it, and you would have someone on QA who's reviewing that code and making sure that it's all secure before you actually deploy it and customers start using it. And so the new way is to use a purpose-built testing agent, and these have been around for a little while, and there's a few different options on the market.